Hey folks, isang mabilisang kwento. This is the Four-Faced Buddha or Erawan Shrine. If you want to pray for good luck in life, business, lalo na sa love life, best advice ng mga locals na mag-pray muna dito bago kay Trimurti, which is God of Love, para mas enhance at mas malakas yung prayers for love life. May iba-ibang prices yung offerings at saka may instructions na din. Open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Iwasan nyo yung hapon or after work hours kasi ang daming tao. Next up is Trimurti Shrine. This is located in front of the Central World Shopping Mall. Almost magkalapit sila ng Four-Faced Buddha. To go here, just ride a BTS Skytrain baba ng Chitlog. Maladaanan nyo to pag pupunta kayo ng Platinum Mall at saka sa Big C Ratchadamri. Trimurti Shrine is very famous para sumakses sa love life. May store na din dyan kung saan kayo makakabili ng mga dapat yung i-offer, candle, roses, at kung ano-ano pa. May maggagaya din sa inyo kung anong dapat nyong gawin sa offering pati sa prayers. Important reminder, every Thursday 9:30 a.m. or 9:30 p.m. dun malakas talaga ang prayers kay Trimurti Shrine. Yun ang mga preferred na oras para magdasal sa kanya. Pero anytime pa rin naman. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more travel tips. Bye! Ingat!